Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use VLOOKUP plus match function in Excel. So here you will see I have a table. Okay, this is the roll number of the student's name, maths mark, and science mark and English marks. Okay, now I want to find out on the basis of their roll number and subject their mark. Okay, here I have, you will see the if I enter roll number of any student and their subject, the marks of the subject will automatically appear here. So I use VLOOKUP plus match function. So how to use it? So first I am going to just delete all these things. Okay, then I will show you how to do it. Okay, so you can easily do that. I'm just going to clear all the drop downs. Okay, now first what we will do, you can create a create a drop down list of roll number, then you can create the drop down list of the subject. So I'm going to just create drop down list, go to data validation. Now here choose list. Okay, then insert value. In insert value you have to choose, if you are creating for the roll numbers, drop down list of the roll numbers, you have to just click on select all the roll numbers, click on apply. Okay, go to source, select all the roll numbers and apply. Now you will see the roll number drop down list of the roll number is created. Now I'm going to create the subjects drop down list. Okay, list, we will follow the same pattern. Now select the subject, go to insert, select the subject and apply. Okay, now roll numbers drop down list is created, subjects drop down list is created. Now here we will use the formula or function of VLOOKUP and match function. So equals to, then VLOOKUP. Okay, now lookup value, so lookup value will be roll number for the VLOOKUP. Okay, then table array, so you have to choose, select the whole table here. Okay, all the table range. Now comma, now call index number, it is asking for call index number. Okay, so call index number, here we have to use match function. Match function here. So lookup value will be for the match, you have to lookup value the select the subject. Okay, this section, comma lookup array, so lookup array will be this roll number to English. Okay, one row, only one row. Now comma, now exact match, we want the exact match here. Okay, now bracket close, again comma, now here for the VLOOKUP we want exact match. Now bracket close. So now you will see, if I enter any roll number here, 103 subject maths. Okay, then we will find out 103 subject maths number is 79. Okay, so like this you can use this VLOOKUP plus match function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.